Welcome to our final lesson. We've covered what to wear, PPE, safety equipment, behavior, and chemical safety. But there are a few other general lab hazards we need to address, and they're just as important to know. First is electrical shock. Keep in mind that many pieces of equipment in the lab operate at very high voltages, so keep water and liquids away from instruments. Never attempt to repair or open any cover while an instrument is plugged in. Routinely inspect your equipment. Check for frayed electrical cords and only use approved extension cables or power switches. The next hazard is burns. Many lab instruments, like the autoclave, operate at high temperatures and can cause burns. Use heat-resistant gloves whenever handling hot materials. If you're using the GC-MS, lower the temperature set points before opening the cover. Extremely low temperatures can also damage unprotected skin. Wear insulated gloves when handling dry ice or items stored in the -80-degree freezer. Slips, trips, and falls can cause very serious injuries. Most of the time, these hazards can be avoided. Keep floors and routes of movement through the lab clear of any obstructions. Never place any materials or instruments on the floor, not even temporarily. Clean up spills immediately and use wet floor signs to warn your colleagues. Be aware of your surroundings. Look out for shelves, tabletops, or any other structures that could cause a head injury if you bump into them. Compressed gas cylinders are under extreme pressure. If they're damaged, the cylinder may be propelled at extremely dangerous speeds. Some gas cylinders, such as hydrogen, are also extremely flammable. Secure gas cylinders with a heavy-duty clamp and strap. The cylinder's head should be sealed with a threaded protective cap whenever it's not in use. Most accidents that occur in the lab tend to be minor and are caused by workers who ignore or just forget the safety procedures. However, serious, even fatal accidents can and do occur. You can do your part to minimize the risk of both minor and major accidents by following the safety rules. Keep an eye out for your coworkers too. Make sure they're working safely. Good science begins with safe science. Be safe. Take care.